Literal teenagers are getting filthy rich with YouTube shorts, and a lot of them don't even know how to edit videos. It's because all of the videos are done by using AI. I'm sure that you have seen AI short videos with thousands, if not millions of views. Instead of watching those videos, why don't you create those? And that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. I'm going to reveal 3 best AI niches and how to create videos for those niches within minutes. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge to create videos and start your own YouTube channel with any of these niches. Let's start with the niche number 1, animal videos. I know you have probably seen videos like this on YouTube. A lot of people think that these are real, but actually, these videos are completely AI generated. This channel has gained 1.1 million subscribers with these animal short videos, and they have only uploaded 44 videos. And this channel is not older than 3 months. If you look at these videos, almost everyone has gained over 1 million views. Here is another example channel in this niche. They mainly post animated cat story videos. You can also start a channel in this niche, and let me show you how they create these videos. There is this new AI tool called Nim Video AI. Using this AI tool, you can create videos for this niche within a few minutes, and it's super easy. Let me show you how to use this tool. As you can see here, all of these videos are public videos that have been created by other users. If you click any of these videos, you can see the prompt that they have used to generate these videos. Then you can get a clear idea about how to create a prompt in order to get your desired result. Not only video creation, we can generate images and convert images into videos as well. First, you need to go to this Create Video option. Then you will come to this page. This is one of the videos I just generated. Just ignore it. From this top menu, we can select any feature we want. We have text to image, image to video, and text to video options. And if you click this AI tool option, you can see all the available features. First, let's try this text to image feature. I'm going to use this simple prompt to generate an image of a bear mom with a little bear, walking on roads surrounded by snow, both facing the camera, realistic style. If you enable this enhance prompt option, this tool will analyze the given prompt and improve it to generate better results. So I'm just going to enable this option, and if you have reference images, you can upload those to here. As the aspect ratio of this image, I'm going to go with 9:16 ratio. And as you can see here, the estimated time for this generation is around 20 seconds. And let's generate our first image. Our first image has been completed. And it's amazing, exactly as I expected. Now you can either download this image or directly convert this to video. All you need to do is select this image to video option. And as you can see here, you can see the prompt of this image. And I'm going to select the Kiln Pro video generating model for this one. And you can add the necessary details to this prompt, and then click this generate button to convert this to a video. It will take around 5 minutes to convert this image to a video. Look like our video is completed. Wow, this is amazing. This looks 100% realistic. And if you don't like the result you got, you can restyle the video. And if you want, you can even extend the duration time. Now, I'm going to generate the second image for this video. It's going to be a truck coming toward these 2 bears, so the process is exactly as before. So, these are the 3 images I generated for this first video, and let's convert these 3 to videos, and then we can complete our video for this niche. Looks like our videos has been completed. Let me show you the final result after adding some sound effects to these clips. Now, let's move on to the second niche, which is AI Giants Shorts. Basically, you can post videos about mythical giants and sea creatures. I'm pretty sure that you have seen videos like this on YouTube and TikTok. The best example channel for this niche is this one, and they are making realistic videos about sea monsters and giants. All of these videos are ultra realistic, and they are getting constant million views with these videos. If you think creatively, you can make hundreds of different videos with imaginary monsters and creatures for this niche. Let me show you how to make such videos using our AI tool. First, I'm going to create an image of a big monster using the text to image tool and convert it to a video. Then I'm going to try the text to video option. Then we can compare which method is easier and can get better results. Let's generate an image of a giant sea snake captured by a group of sailors. And guys, if you want to generate realistic style images, you need to make sure to add realistic style at the end of your prompt. If not, this image will be generated as animated style or a cartoonish style. Looks like our image has been generated now. I'm going to convert this to a video using the image to video feature. The process is similar as before. You just need to edit the prompt according to your requirement. Here is the output. Now I'm going to make a video of a giant creature using only a text. For that, you need to select this text to video feature from the top menu, and I'm going to use this prompt, which is a giant hybrid monster walking towards camera. This huge monster is a hybrid version of a giant spider and a giant snake, mountain background, realistic style, and I'm going to allow this tool to enhance this prompt to a detailed one, and let's generate the video. This is the final result. My conclusion is, if you have a specific idea of a creature, you need to generate an image first and then convert it to a video, because when you directly convert your text to video, you may not like the final output, but it's completely up to you. So, just like this, you can create several clips like these and create YouTube short video for it. Let me show you the final output I created for this niche. And guys, you can create videos like this in minutes using this AI tool. And the crazy thing is, this tool costs only $10 a month. And if you purchase their yearly package, it's going to cost you only $7 a month. Honestly, this is the most affordable AI tool that I have used because all the other AI video creators cost like $100, if not $200 a month. So, I will leave the link to this AI tool in the description. You can try this tool. Let's move on to the third and final AI niche, which is the AI stories niche. This is a very interesting niche because you can create funny AI stories, motivational stories, and wisdom stories with a deep message. You can even combine these types of videos with the self-improvement niche. This example YouTube channel, which has 1.2 million subscribers, posts videos about AI stories. But every video gives a valuable lesson to the society. The whole video, including the script, voice generation, and videos, are all created by AI tools. And let me show you how to create videos for this niche. First, you need to go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. You can actually customize this prompt based on your category. And using this prompt, you can easily generate a unique story. In this case, this is going to be a story about a young girl who helps a homeless man. But at the end, this homeless man turns out to be a millionaire and helped this young girl to achieve her dream, which is opening her own bakery. Just like this, you can explain your story to this prompt, and ChatGPT will generate a unique script for this short video. After you generate the script for this video, you can use an AI tool like 11 Labs to convert this script to a voice, and then we can move on to the video creation part. Actually, this is not that complicated. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 video scenes to represent this story in the correct order. And then, ChatGPT will give you 10 scenes to represent this story like this. Now you can generate images and videos for each scene using the NIM AI tool, just like we did before. Then, you can use a video editor like CapCut to combine voiceovers and generated video clips and complete the final video. And that's all, guys. With that, today's video has come to an end. And you can select your favorite niche from these three and start your own channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.